Hey, what's up? Kosmo here, and on today's video, we're gonna be making pan-seared ribeyes with bacon-wrapped asparagus. So here's what we're gonna do. We got our ribeye steaks, 1.5 inch cut. I hope they're good, because Tommy bought them. We're gonna wrap some bacon around this asparagus and cook it in the air fryer, or AKA, I call it my tiny smoker. Sorry. And this is gonna be absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get to cooking.
First things first, you're gonna wanna prep your asparagus. Now, all I do is grab the top and grab the bottom and bend it. Where it breaks, that's where it's supposed to break. After you get these suckers broken down, you're gonna wanna wrap them with bacon. Now wrestle one whole slice of bacon and around about 3 of these, nice little bunch, and get a toothpick in there just to hold it nice and tight. Now for my favorite part. We're gonna coat these suckers with some SPG, but if you don't have any, use what you got at home. It doesn't matter. Toss them onto the wire rack and get them in that air fryer. We're cooking ours about 400 degrees for anywhere from 7, 8, 9 minutes. Every air fryer is a little different, so use your best judgment. Next up, get that cast iron heated up with a little bit of grapeseed oil. Just a nice little coat on the bottom of the pan. All right, next up, let's get these steaks seasoned up with some cow cover. And don't be afraid, this is the good stuff. Now we're gonna add a nice little thin coat of Texas beef. This rub really gives that steak that crazy little Texas flavor. Now pat your rub in and season that other side the same way. Now it's time to throw the coals into these rigs.
Nope, it did not.
Well, that didn't work, so now on to plan B. Now we're talking. Now sear them on both sides for about 2 minutes per side until you get that nice golden crust. Reduce the heat to medium, add all the ingredients for that butter baste. Toss in your favorite herbs, followed by
4 tablespoons of butter.
Last but not least, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. If you want to add more, feel free to. Let that all start coming together and then start basting.
There you go.
And basting. And basting. Now you're gonna want to make sure you got a probe handy. I'm shooting for about 145 or that perfect medium rare, and then you get them dudes off the heat and let them rest.
All right, so on this recipe, you are gonna absolutely love it. When it's cold outside or you just want a nice pan-seared steak, you can't go wrong with this. This smells fantastic. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about right there. Now, I like these little garlic guys right here. Just take a little cut right there. That is fan-freaking-tastic. And bacon wrapped asparagus, it's gotta make your doctor happy. You're getting your greens in, and bacon makes everything better. Moment of silence, please. Moment of silence. So hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. The recipe is down in the description, as well as over on KosmosQ.com with all the products. You can find it all over there, print it off, go make it for yourself. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Brent told me about the tiny smokers, the microwaves. And what we are, I'm gonna lick my finger. Let me end it.